After hearing the news that Vinesh Phogat is disqualified, I am shocked and I am disappointed also. And I had come here and met the Vinesh, and she was physically okay and medically also she is okay, but mentally she is a little bit disappointed. And whatever yesterday night, our support staff, her support staff and our support staff all are with her to reduce the from weight from increase to 2.7 to 50 kg. So they were trying their best, and even I am here to village because I have to be with other athletes also, those who are going to participate today, and get them to be in the track. I think yesterday whole night doctors and all not slept, and they have done their maximum to be in, for Vinesh.
So what I'll do is I'll just give out a short statement. I think that will clarify things. So I think what's important to understand is that all wrestlers usually participate in a weight category that's less than their natural weight. This gives them an advantage since they are fighting with less stronger opponents. Now this process of weight cut involves a calculated restriction of food and water, and we also involve a lot of excessive sweating, which is done with exercise, with sauna, with steam, and thereby we achieve that weight cut prior to the morning weigh-in. Now this weight cut causes weakness and causes some amount of energy depletion, and this is really counterproductive to participation. And hence for participation we do need to then restore energy with some amounts of water and some amounts of energy foods. So you can see this is a fine balance. If you can reduce your weight, you're going to be fighting with less stronger opponents, so most wrestlers prefer that. But at the same time, you have to have a strategy which, you're going to be able to get back your energy with enough water depletion.
Well, as far as the United World Wrestling is concerned, its president has met with the Wrestling Federation of India President Sanjay Singh and the Indian Olympic Association that is being led by PT Usha in the wake of Vinesh Phogat's disqualification from the competition. And however, it is important to note when it comes to the rules that are followed, it is something that applies to all. We have seen as far as disqualification of other athletes as well in Paris Olympics that has now taken place. Ankit is with us to help us understand, because the rules are rules, Ankit. It applies to everyone.
That is what the UWW is saying, although it is a sympathetic statement. Remember, they are the ones who frame the rules for wrestling at the Olympics. So the statement says, during the meeting at the wrestling house in Paris, Lalovich, he is the UWW chief, said that strict rules for weigh-in on competition days were drawn up, keeping the wrestlers' long-term health in view. The rules dissuade athletes from competing in lower weight categories with weight loss methods that could impact their health in the long term, which is exactly what we were just talking about. On the IOA's suggestion that a wrestler's results from the day on which the athlete met the weigh-in requirements should not be disqualified, the UWW president was sympathetic. The UWW will also discuss the suggestion at an appropriate platform, but it could not be done retrospectively. And then after that, there are a lot of niceties. The UWW has wished Vinesh Phogat well, but for the moment, Amita, we can say that the UWW has accepted India's suggestion that the second weigh-in should not be material, but it cannot apply to this competition, is what we are given to understand.
All right, Ankit, thank you for that. As far as all of the measures, Arunil, were taken in by Vinesh Phogat, we have seen the hard work that actually goes into that, and maintaining the key weight right now is something but nothing but sympathy that is now being offered, saying rules are rules. How do we understand that? Does it mean that there is no hope now further when it comes to Vinesh Phogat, of course, now that she's also announced her retirement?
Well, certainly is. But Vinesh Phogat, after all her achievements, remains a hero for all the athletes who are inspired by her, but the fans of India's sporting world, particularly wrestling. The reason for that is, yes, she had changed her weight category, and that is what the United World Wrestling Federation chief is also speaking about here, that they discourage this aspect because it may have an impact on the wrestler, the grapplers health in the long time. She was early in the last Olympics. She had contested in the 53 kg weight category. Until recently, also she used to contest in the 53 kg weight category. Before the Paris Olympics, she suffered an injury, and then she decided to change her weight category to 50. Now, on Tuesday, when Vinesh Phogat won those 3 bouts, her weight category, her weight was within the prescribed limit. It was under 50 kg. Now, basically, the chief medical officer of the Indian contingent, he basically said that there was a rebound weight gain that took place in the case of Vinesh Phogat, and several measures had to be taken. In fact, a night before the weigh-ins, several strenuous exercises were undertaken by Vinesh Phogat that also included an intense sauna session as well, to ensure that Vinesh Phogat's weight came down. Extreme measures like cutting down of hair was also being undertaken, but unfortunately the team fell short by a mere 100 grams. So very disappointing, very heart-wrenching story. In fact, this is the same Vinesh Phogat who during the last Olympics had to be carried away because of a freak injury, and that time she was in tears. She fought back from those odds, changed the weight category, defeated a mighty Japanese rival in the first round itself.
And someone that he hadn't been defeated before in any tournament there. But this has been as far as... Well, we have Great Khali with us right now. हमारे साथ वो जुड़ रहे हैं. सर नमस्कार, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार. हाँ जी, आ रही
जी सर, सभी का दिल टूटा है, आपका भी दिल टूटा होगा. अभी खबर ये सुबह आ रही है कि विनेश फोगाट ने ये अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया कि अब वो रिटायरमेंट लेंगी, अब कुश्ती को छोड़ देंगी.
बिल्कुल, उनको ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. और कल भी मेरी बात चल रही थी, भाई कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए, हार नहीं मारनी चाहिए. और मैं तो अभी भी यही बताऊंगा कि भाई उनको फाइट करनी चाहिए. और जैसे डिस्क्वालीफाई हुए तो जो भी एक उनके साथ कोई एक साजिश हुई है, अगर फाइट करेंगे तभी तो प्रूफ करेंगे. अगर वो छोड़ देंगे तो सब लोग मोस्टली ये बोलेंगे नहीं जी, मतलब ये गलत थी.
आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि कोई साजिश हुई है?
मेरे को लग रहा है जो कल बोल रहे थे कि 100 ग्राम उनका वेट ज्यादा आया था. जो बता रहे 100 ग्राम क्या चीज होता है, 100 ग्राम कुछ नहीं है. और ये मेरे को लगता है कि भी कहीं ना कहीं वो साजिश के हिस्सा बनाए हो
जी, क्योंकि बताया जा रहा है कि हर मुमकिन कोशिश की गई थी विनेश की तरफ से, उनकी टीम की तरफ से, कि उनका खान पान का ध्यान रखा जाए, उनका जो वेट है वो एकदम उसी कैटेगरी में हो ताकि वो आगे आने वाली जो फाइनल बाउट है उससे लड़ सके. लेकिन 100 ग्राम से खली जी आप सोचिए कि डिस्क्वालीफाई कर दिया जाता है. 100 ग्राम क्या होता है सर?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, जो डिस्क्वालीफाई किया गया है इनको, और बड़ा दुख हो रहा है. और ये जो जुम्बारी है, कोच की भी जुम्बारी बनती है. जो इतने मतलब कोच बन के जाते हैं, स्पोर्टर बन के जाते हैं जो साथ है, उनका भी फर्ज बनता है कि जो वेट है मेंटेन है, कोई कहीं जब वेट होएगा कहीं बढ़ तो नहीं रहा, कम तो नहीं हो रहा
जी.
उनकी भी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि भाई जो वेट को मेंटेन रखे. बहुत बार जो स्पोर्ट्समैन मतलब ना, और एक प्रेशर पे होता है बहुत, मतलब एक स्पोर्ट्समैन. लेकिन जो मतलब एक कोच है, उसका काम ही यही है कि सारी चीजों को मैनेज करे, वेट को मैनेज करे, डाइट को मैनेज करे, उनको रेस्ट को देखो कि प्रॉपर रेस्ट हो रहा है, कहीं मतलब वो इधर इधर तो नहीं घूम रहे, जिससे मतलब एक. अब ये चले उनका दिल नहीं टूटा, पूरे भारतवासी का दिल टूटा है.
लेकिन खली जी, अभी खबर ये आ रही है कि जब विनेश वापस लौटेंगी, भारत वापस लौटेंगी, तो उनका हीरो की तरह उनका स्वागत किया जाएगा, एक चैंपियन के तौर पे स्वागत किया जाएगा. हरियाणा सरकार ने ऐलान किया है कि जो एक सिल्वर मेडलिस्ट को जितनी भी सुविधाएं मिलती हैं, जितना भी जो इनाम मिलता है, वो विनेश फोगाट को दिया जाएगा.
नहीं ठीक है, ये तो भी अच्छा, ये तो अच्छा है. हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट ये थॉट रख रही है, ये कर रही है, तो ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है. और हर स्पोर्ट्स वाले को एक रिस्पेक्ट देनी चाहिए, ताकि मतलब और भी मतलब एक उनका मन ना टूटे
जी.
उनका एक मनोबल नहीं गिरे।
जी
अगर हम लोग या सरकार स्पोर्ट ना करेंगे तो स्पोर्ट्स का मनोबल गिरेगा।
जी, ये बस देखने की बात है खली जी, जब वो वापस देश लौटती है तो देखते हैं उसके परिवारजन क्या कहते हैं, क्योंकि पूरा देश तो उसके साथ खड़ा ही हुआ है, विनेश के साथ खड़ा ही हुआ है कि आखिरकार वो कुश्ती हमेशा के लिए छोड़ देंगी या फिर से वो रिकंसिडर करेंगी। धन्यवाद आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।